I will show you how to use Splitface together with press, pull, and tweak. Splitface can be found here in the modify panel, and press, pull, and tweak are here. So let's start with Splitface. Splitface will cut any face on a solid using Sketch. So the easiest way to understand is that I show you. You need to choose a face to split. So we will start by clicking on this face. You can also choose many faces if you want. Then we go over to splitting entity, and we need to select sketch. So it could be any sketch. So let's click on this one. And then you see that this red volume appears, and this shows you where your sketch will cut. So your sketch will go through this whole volume and cut whatever face you clicked. So we selected this face, and the volumes goes right through it. So we will get the cut here. So if I click enter, you see the new face. On the back side there is nothing because we selected only the front. If I choose to go to split face again, select the front and the back, and set split entity as this sketch and click enter, you will see I get a cut in front and behind. You can also use any sketch you want. If I choose this face, these two faces, and the circle, get like this. Also, it doesn't need to be a full sketch. You can also cut with only a line. So you see this rectangular sketch is only passing the top with this line. So if I go to split face, select this face, splitting entity as this sketch, you see how it cuts through, and it will make a cut only here. So it's like this. So now you have all these different faces and edges. You can also use splines as sketches. For example, I can use this one. Click enter. There. And then if you want to modify these faces, you don't want only a cut, you want to do something about it. So you will go to press pull or tweak. So first of all, press pull is easy to understand. You can choose any face and pull it out. So it's a bit like extrude. You can also access it if you click on any face. To access the face, you need to click your model and then move your mouse. You can select it. So if I select here, I get access to these three, and I can press pull, so pulling or pressing. I can also select multiple faces. And make a nice shape. Like this. You also have tweak. Tweak is a bit more difficult to use because sometimes it won't exactly give you what you want. So let's say I select this face. What tweak does is that you can move it, but for example, here, you can access tweak here, and you can move it like this. So you see it might cause some problems, depends on the situation, on your cut, but if you know how to use it, you can make some nice modifications. You can rotate it also any direction you want, but it's a bit tedious sometimes. And if you have some shape like this, you might have problems to pull it out. Like you see, nothing happens. Well, this one should be better. No. If you select here, you can do different kind of modifications. Let's see, if you select this face, you can pull out. So the difference between tweak and press pull when you pull it out is that you don't extrude, you just pull the face out and it's still connected to the same edges. So tweak is something you need to just try by yourself and see what you can achieve. If you know how to use it well, you can make some nice shapes, but it needs some training. So see here, you can tweak it. Or this one. So splitting face and press pull are pretty easy, and then tweak you just need to try a few times to see how it works. And when you get it, you can use it to make whatever you want. So try it by yourself.